Hi there, today we're putting our Kage Katcher. We have them both in aluminum and steel here. I'm going to use the aluminum one because it is so much lighter and easier to handle on this Exmark turf tracer. So on the tracer we have to remove the deflector shield. I've already done that. You grab your grass catcher, there's nothing to add onto the mower. You just put the pin in the hole, let the hook go over, and it's on. Then we hook up our wiring harness. It's all universal for everything. You plug it in here, take your magnet and switch plate. You can mount it wherever you prefer it to be for your ease. You can even bend these tabs to make it more comfortable for you to use. I'm just going to set it here by the right handle since I'm right-handed. And then you hook your up to power. The battery's right here on this machine. It's super easy to do. Just hook your ground and hook your positive, and they could be switched around. It won't affect the operation. Your switch will just be backwards from the way it is. So that really isn't a crucial thing. You're on, and it's ready to operate. How simple is that?